It's Zoe.
And Mo with special guest. And Marco.
Hi, Fergie.
I'm Zoe.
I'm Mia.
I'm Mo.
I'm Marco.
And
Mark. My bad. And today we're gonna do a video on
what's it called? I don't know.
a fart soundboard
challenge.
challenge. And
We have water and.
Ah!
Stop.
basically
That's what you
somewhat
guys
like
drinking the
that,
water now.
with farts included.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's get to it.
Mine, you're terrible. I just want you to know.
Okay, this one's called
Just click it and it should play.
so this one's called Ready Set Blow.
Wait, I spilled all over my pants.
That's how it goes.
It went off my nose. It went off my nose.
Okay, this one's called Cheese Dog.
That made me laugh.
Maya, you're terrible at this.
Maya, you made me laugh. Mia, are you drinking your water?
Okay, this one's called Puff Daddy.
You went out your nose.
This is over with. Who's next?
Eyebrows look funny. Wait, I didn't.
I don't like it.
Okay, this one's called Forest Dump. This one's called Donut Cream Filler. These are lame. This one is called Colon Power.
Marco!
Who's next? James Brown Stains. Cue laughter.
This is my little brother, Logan.
This one's called Out of Gas.
Or just the fact that Logan's just standing there with his hands in his pocket. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I forget Marco would laugh. Lame people.
Alright, happy people.
Bitch like whoa, get it like whoa.